So Astron Energy is actually one of the second largest, biggest fuel company in South Africa, and we own about 800 retail sites across the board, and we provide services, energy services, particularly fuels and lubricants in the business. We own one of the only coastal refineries in the country, as you know, with the advent of a lot of refineries closing. So we are the only ones left in the country. It's in Milnerton, and of course we drive and run a network of terminals across the country. So that's in essence our business, and of course we are part of the Glencore group, which is one of the largest natural resources mining entities in the country. What we are hoping to achieve by attending the mining Indaba for us, particularly the 25 edition, is to really make a presence as we continue to do that. One of our key priorities is actually customer focus and win-win partnerships. So we're here to actually make that presence known, to actually make sure that we embed our own tailored solutions, bespoke, that we're providing to our customers, engage further and see how we can actually define ourselves in their growth ambitions and be a part of their journeys. So we're here for visibility, we're here for fostering partnerships, we're here for embedding some of the relationships that we've got, and to build new ones, of course. It is important that we become part of this path of shaping the future of mining in South Africa and the world, because we strongly believe that it is sustainable, and we can ensure that we define that path for ourselves as Astron Energy, and we do that through our propositions, our product servicing, and making sure that we drive those efficiencies and make sure that we're part of their sustainability journey. And we do this by defining their path together and co-creating with them. So we're excited to be that. And then you see there's quite a lot of innovative technologies that are coming through, and we want to be part of that. We're driving that and defining that path together with our customers. So as you see, our brand is quite bold. So we want to get into those markets. We are into those big industrial markets that we want to be. So we're really excited to be forming those partnerships. It is important to create a sustainable legacy in the mining sector, simply because of the nature of what the extractive resources are, and fostering the co-host communities from a sustainability perspective, creating legacies around industries themselves, as small business enterprises, and Astron is part of that, is really looking at our co-host communities, the small, medium enterprises that we're building to create longevity in the industry, and of course economic growth, sustainable economic growth for the country. And we're doing that through actually fostering those relationships ourselves as Astron Energy, and through the fence line communities that we foster, the business partnerships that we're embedding, and of course the communities that we're building around us. From ourselves as Astron Energy, we'd really like you to focus on the propositions that we're giving from a lubricants sector, from a fuel propositions that we're providing across the mining sector itself. So this is the space that we're in, and the services that we're providing, particularly around the fleet work and the resources, but mostly the lubricants and fuel propositions is what we're providing from an Astron Energy perspective. And again, it's to how do we then reinvent ourselves in terms of the products, efficiencies that we provide, and that's exactly where we are. So from a lubricants and fuel services, we are here for you as an industry.